Not ready. It's going to be my district.
Plane quickly. Where I'm going.
Done now. It's Mr. UK TikTok official. I got that flow. Yeah, done now. Yeah, done now. H, wishy-washy, and general.
As you can see, I was bored.
You crashed in. I'm a McLaren, don't you see? Trust me. I see what you're doing, son. I want my 5K back.
Ask for a warranty.
Yeah, trust me.
Well, that's funny anyway, that's quite funny.
I don't really do that because you don't know, mate.
You alright, mate? Mr. UK TikTok official. Drop the phone.
Here we go.
It's gonna be a funny video, isn't it? Right, done. How long? You went for Christmas?
You said over a minute.
No, is it done?
Done.
You're done now, drillers.
Yeah, you're not ready. It's going to be my diss track for HS Wishy Washy, yeah? You're done now. It's Mr. UK TikTok official. I got that flow. Yeah,
when
done
you see the
now.
villa that I'm staying
Yeah, done now.
in, your eyes are going to pop out your head.
Wish.
So just imagine, drillers, this is the actual door of the villa. Right, this is just the door alone. I've not got in yet. Just waiting. This is the door. I can't believe it, mate. It's like, what is it? Look at it. What the hell? Look at it, mate. This is, I think they're all asleep. I'm dying out here. So here's more of the actual villa. I don't even know how to describe it, really. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like, there's your view, and look, you just got, it's huge. Huh? It is literally huge. Look at it. There's a downstairs. There's the upstairs, what I was showing you. HS, bruv, this pisses on what you're staying in, mate. This is like, there's a gym up there. There's a gym over there. And there's even another downstairs. I don't know what's down here. Mate, like, what is this? Look at that. Got downstairs. What's that? Your own beach? Your own private beach? Got your own private like, beach without the sea, but this is something else, mate. What? You. Oh, the video now is comparing I think it's someone's birthday today. So what exactly are you preparing, Chef?
So, we've got cake and chicken wings, barbecue ribs.
Wow.
Sirloin steak skewers, chicken skewers, there with a bit of saffron, burgers.
It looks amazing. It looks literally amazing. Like. What's this here?
That was the barbecue ribs.
Oh.
They've been marinating for 2 days.
Wow. It looks like out of this world.
Hopefully.
So, do you get a lot of private functions like this?
Yeah, we do a lot of villas. Yeah. It's nice.
I'm on social media, Mr. UK TikTok official.
Oh, are you? The TikTok
These lovely people have literally invited me to this villa.
Oh, nice. How did you meet them?
TikTok.
Just on TikTok. So you met them on TikTok?
One of, I think it's, whose brother is it? Is it your brother? Josh's brother. Basically invited me. I've done the flights for you. Just get over there, mate.
That's amazing. Oh, so you've come over as well for it?
Yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm just making this quick video. Unfortunately, I've been kicked out of the villa. And, yeah, because trolls are not making up lies and rumours again. As you know, yeah, went to court for fraud and did bullshit. And that's why it got taken out of court and discontinued. Anything else that people try to do against me will get taken out and discontinued. You're done now.
I just said shush, I'm live.
Very grumpy, you. Only because you got one eye.
Hello. Someone everyone it or followers it or something. Right, I'm just putting it out there, just quickly coming live, for all these people that are trolling us at this moment in time. Mr. TikTok was actually sent here as a joke by my brother because it was Ben's brother's birthday. We didn't ask for him to come. Lincolnshire Competitions didn't ask him to come whatsoever. We don't know. I mean, I'm not even on TikTok. I don't know whether what people are saying is true or isn't. I know people can hate, and I've seen it, experienced it firsthand. I mean, we're not even involved with him. And Jesus Christ, the amount of shit we're getting at this moment in time is absolutely unreal. Saying that I'm leaving a stranger around my children. Well, I can assure you one thing, that our kids have never left our sight. He hadn't even stayed in the main house. He's been in a shitty little, what would you call it, Mum, an apartment, servants' quarters type thing, downstairs by himself. And as soon as we received the emails, he got shown the door and told goodbye. So if his missus decides to watch this and wants to tell everyone that that's not true, no, she can shut her mouth because she sat there saying last night that we're grooming him. We've got videos of her screaming at him. In fact, I think he's probably a victim of domestic abuse listening to those calls. But if you can keep trolling on me, I mean, I haven't done anything wrong. My children are absolutely safe. I'm one of these, you're innocent until proven guilty. If he has done what I've been told he's done, then I absolutely do not agree under any behaviour. It is totally not right. But I mean, I've just had a message saying that the villa's been put all over TikTok, stay safe. Well, I mean, if that's the lengths you guys want to go to, and that is what it is. But I can assure you, my competition site is not a scam. We are not bad people. We don't rob from charities. In fact, we give more than we give out. We give, God knows, thousands of pounds a day out. We sponsor so many different causes. It's actually hurt us a little bit. But I'm going to let it go over my head. If you want to keep trolling, then keep trolling. It is what it is. Thank you to everybody that is supporting us right now. And we'll see you all soon. But I'll just show you, because he's definitely not here. His stuff's been took out of here. We've just got back from dinner. And it is what it is. But thanks, guys, and see you all soon. Goodbye.
So here we go, guys, back down to earth, back in the UK. Back in the UK. Weather's quite good though, I'm not going to lie, weather's quite good. Just stepped off the plane. The weather's quite good. Those of you, you're done, old killers. Those of you, Mr. UK TikTok official, bruv. That's how we're doing. Thanks for all the support last night. You're done, old drillers. You literally smashed it. Looks like Mr. UK TikTok official is definitely showing why he's the king of the app. You're done, though. Any content creators, bruv, I'm coming for you all. As in, I'm going to take over the app. You're done, though. You ain't on my level. None of you. None of you on here. You're going to find out how you're not on Mr. UK TikTok official's level. And you know why? Because I dance and sing on my life. You're done, though. You ain't on my level, yeah? I'm gonna show Tenerife what I'm about. And as for anything, just live life and enjoy it. You're done, though. Mr. UK TikTok official. So I was in 3013 when anyone comes in. As you go in, well, you think, nice, then you come around here, you got the bedroom. Got the bedroom, carry from last night, don't worry about that. Got the bathroom, very nice bathroom, very clean. Then you've got my dining area, my TV area. Not only do you have that balcony is a bit small, isn't it? Let's see what's upstairs quickly. Let's see what's upstairs. Upstairs you go, inside my apartment by the way, and out to this. Bit of a small balcony, isn't it? Lovely. With an amazing view like that. Beautiful. Mesmerising. Bigger than you can ever gift on here. That's what's hilarious.
Rash is alright.
Right, glove, last 30 seconds.
Leave Rash alone, Rash is alright.
Big gifters back at no, they're not all right. They tried to, they gifted massively to try and see me go to prison, and it failed. And they spent a fortune, and I'm glad you lost all that money, Rash. I'm glad you lost it all.
Guys, last 30 seconds, he's going to put up a glove.
Karma's a bitch. Gifted thousands. Karma's a bitch. Rash. Isn't it? Karma's a bitch. Rash.
I don't think we got gloves, chat. Guys, anyone got a glove in here? We've lost
Love, last 30 seconds, guys.
Guys, they're gonna like use a glove.
Karma's one of my best mates. Rash. So you're next on Karma.
That's enough.
Yes, Lady Retro. Boom, shakalaka on the glove. Boom, shakalaka on the glove.
Glove.
Glove, 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 glove. Oh.
Yes! We got Gina.
Well done, drillers. You literally smashed.
Gina, thank you.
It's not a holiday, this is what I do. I go to different destinations, I dance by them, and I get a load of content from the hotels, the scenery, everything, let you know how amazing the place is, then whoosh, I'm off to the next one. The next one's going to be 2 weeks, but normally I might do just a week, then boom, next one, boom, week, next one, so India, boom, Hong Kong, boom, Thailand, boom, Vietnam, boom. All these countries, Newcastle, boom. All these countries, Newcastle, boom. Liverpool, boom. Australia, boom. Leeds, boom. Norfolk, boom. Helping whoever I want when I want. One sec, I just got a message. Can't see the message properly. Anyway.
Kev.
Yeah. I'm not a penny fiddler.
Kev.
I never have been.
Oh,
I don't do those sort of things. I'm not a pervert. Not a pervert either. And yeah, we'll leave it at that. We'll do best of three. Boss Callie, what was you going to say, mate?
Kev.
Yes.
Amber, Danny, Chloe, Bert and Nat, Claire, Queen Angel and all the tappers. Yeah, Kev.
Yeah.
So basically, they wouldn't have known anything or where you was if you wouldn't have kept on saying it 15 million times.
Yes, I know that. My mistake, obviously, but I wanted to big up the company and thank them a lot, which, you know, at first I guess it was good, and then, well, when the trolls got involved.
Yeah, my dog's a cool scholar.
It went to SHIT.
Yeah, but social services.
What it was is they had a 28th birthday party, right? There's a family there as well. There's kids there. There's a baby there. There's mum.
Oh, what? You're not allowed around kids?
Yeah, I am. No, I am. No, you're getting it wrong. Please listen right. You're getting it wrong. So they had a 28th birthday party to think it was like funny, which it was quite funny to be honest. They all dressed in mankinis to bring out the birthday cake to the birthday boy, and they went on Facebook Live doing it, which is nothing wrong with it. But you know,
What, you was in a mankini?
no way, Jose. Just all I say is just be on social media. Just be very careful because people are gonna state bullshit. And I said they've done it about me a million times. Like I'm a P, I'm an N, I'm a kidney fiddler. But one thing I'll tell you is true. Got a small